Hello, it's the Avid Picker, and today I have a challenge lock pinned by Bobby Keyz on the 15th. It is a Schley 6-pin. Um, Here's the bitting on the key. Pretty good bitting. Alright, let me grab the vise and we'll get this thing in there. Hopefully get it picked. Make sure the key works. Loosen up a little. There we go. Perfect. Okay, let me zoom in on the lock and we'll get to picking this thing. Alright. I'm going to use my 50 thousandths top of the keyway by Peterson. And I'm going to start off with the deforest diamond and 15 thousandths from the Praxis kit. Okay. I'm actually starting a front on this one. Trying something new. Okay, pin 1. Pin 4. And pin 6 gave us a falset. Looking for some counter. Okay, I'm getting counter on 3. Well, lost it. Okay, well, alright, it's actually counter on 2. Ah, crap. Okay. Try not to drop my tension wrench anymore. Let's see, pin 1, okay. Alright, now, gotta click out of 2. Click and a little falset out of 6. Let's see here. Let's see. Pin 5, gotta click. I'm gonna switch picks. I'm gonna go with the SSDEV medium hook. Okay, got a default set out of 6. Let's see, getting counter on, well, counter on 2. I got that one set. A little deeper on 4. Let's see, I think I'm getting some counter out of 1. Lost my false set. Okay. Looking for some counter rotation somewhere. Actually, I think I'm going to change picks to the Tron by Sparrows from the Dark Shift kit. Just looking for some counter rotation. Okay, I think I set 2. Just looking for some feedback. Okay, got a little deeper on 5. And we're open on 2. Alright. Let me back out the zoom, and I'll take it out of the lock for you. And we will gut this thing. Just to show you, it is picked. Okay. Put that there and get rid of my vise. And grab my pinning tray. Alright. Now, looks like we've got a clip. Let me get my clip remover. Okay. Got that off, and we'll get it with the key. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it back up. And turn it about that far. I'm gonna use a shim since it is a challenge lock. And my Keydex follower. Alright. Now, zoom in there and you can see that all 6 pins are in and working. And let's check for some overset traps. No overset traps in this one. I'm going to go ahead and dump the pins, and I will show you a close-up in just a moment. I hope everybody's having a great day today. It's been kind of cold here. Alright, we will take a look at the plug in a moment. Let me just stick the key in and put it in my safe spot on my pinning tray. Okay, now alright, pin 1 is a serrated spool, steel spring. Pin 2 is a serrated top spool, homemade of course. Bobby Keyz makes some of the best challenge locks. Number 3 is a spool. Number 4 is a T-pin with a copper spring. Number 5 is a spooled T-pin with a copper spring. And number 6 is a serrated with a copper spring. Okay, let's look for modifications here. We've got threading in chambers. Let me focus this. Come on now. Alright, as you can see, we got threading in chambers 2, 4, and 6. And that is what is done to the plug. And up in the Bible, no modifications to the Bible. Okay, let's get a look at these pins. Okay, key pin number 1 is standard. Number 2 is a T-pin key pin. Come on, focus. So with the serrated portion. There we go. Okay, key pin number 3 is a spooled key pin with a step down in it. Number 4 is a serrated spool key pin. Number 5 is standard. And number 6 is a serrated. Alright, for the drivers, in 1 we have a spool with serrations. In 2 we have a double spool. That's a nice pin. Number 3 we've got a deep spool with a sharp edge. Number 4 we have a T-pin with serrations. Sorry for the focus, guys. There we go. And number 5 we have a like a double spool. Maybe if I turn this a little bit more normal. There we go. Okay, now. Sorry guys, it's a bad day for focus, I guess. Okay, see, we got that double spool there. And number 6 we have a serrated. And the spring in 1 is steel, a spring in 2 is copper, and then we got a steel in 3, and a copper in 4, 5, and 6. Well, I guess that about wraps it up for today. If you like what I do here and like my videos, give me a like and subscribe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, because there will be much more. Everybody have a great day, be safe, and keep on picking.